So I just spotted the bees going a bit bizarre out the window. For everyone else this looks like swarming, but it's not, although that might be swarming. Although it's usually this time of day when they all come out and have a poo. Although this looks like something more than a poo. Kicking drones out on the floor. This is one massive colony in this hive. It's a big hive. It's got a big load of bees in it. This is a good hive as well. These are two really healthy hives. I just had to go and put a bee hat on. Listen to that. Sometimes you can smell it when they're swarming. I have to watch them go up my leg and sting me up the legs. I need to reduce this colony, and I need to move this colony. Well, this one's getting a bit heavy now to be moved by myself. I need someone else. This one I'm going to have to, I'll do a shook swarm on it again this year like I did last year. I'll put the queen in a box because she's marked, and then I'll shook swarm them. Last year though, that pumped out 4 swarms, that did. I caught all of them except one, which got away. But yeah, this is what it's like every day about this time. And usually they say they poo on all the washing and all the cars. They like to poo on blue cars for some reason. That's mental, isn't it? That's one ram beehive though. That's why you need calm, gentle bees in your garden. I mean, Christ. All the hives are active. One hive kicks the other hive off, and they all go for it. Toilet time. Although that does look like they're going to swarm. There's a video on my YouTube where I caught the swarm as it started, and they pile out there. All my queens in here are all clipped, all marked and clipped, so they shouldn't get too far if they swarm.